Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to study for Nat 5 history. Start by mapping the syllabus into core themes and flag the highest value topics to cover first. Prioritize depth on key events and causes, then build timelines to connect ideas. Combine reading with active note methods and set clear goals for each study block. Keep a warm, steady pace and revise frequently to lock in facts and concepts. Use active revision to turn passive reading into reliable recall. Make flashcards for dates, names, and key quotes, and review them every day. Draw timelines and cause-effect charts so you can see links at a glance. Practice explaining topics aloud or to a friend to expose gaps in understanding. Rotate subjects each study day and focus on retrieving information from memory rather than rereading notes. Practice under real exam conditions to build confidence and time management. Do timed past papers with no notes and stick to the exam word limits. Mark your answers against model responses and record recurring mistakes to target in revision. Focus on essay structure, clear introductions, pointed evidence, and linked analysis. Repeat this cycle until timing and content feel natural, so exam day becomes a familiar routine.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.